I saw this tweet from Elon Musk. Cybertruck will be waterproof enough to serve briefly as a boat so it can cross rivers, lakes, and even seas that aren't too choppy. Needs to be able to get from Starbase to South Padre Island, which requires crossing the channel. Is this legit? Is this for real? Well, I'm having a hard time reading this one. It's very recent, has a ton of likes, some retweets. Actually, yeah.
Well, we've actually seen like Teslas driving through pits of water and surviving. So,
but you see the top response to this tweet here? Dog, you can't even make a car trunk rainproof. I'm not drowning my family in a coffin from an N64 game. Dog. Jeez.
It's Jack altogether.
Bringing the thunder here. It's true. What level of confidence are you going to need to start crossing a channel in your Cybertruck where you're like, yeah, I feel super confident in that?
Hold on, I just want to...
whatever. It'd be very cool if they can pull it off, do a demo, and I still think people are probably going to be a bit terrified of attempting such things. You're trying to see how far this is? It's far enough. Well, you got to go South Padre Island directions to Starbase, right?
Where is Starbase? It must be...
Starbase is tiny. Yeah, it's tiny, so you have to type it in. You're not going to see it.
Can I actually search for it, you think?
Well, yeah, of course. Directions, and then Starbase. There you go.
Oh, okay.
Oh, my goodness gracious. What? That's Starbase production site. Yeah, but anyway, yeah, I guess they got to cross the... Where are you going? Where are you going, Will? Every time you open Google Maps, I have no idea what's going on. Where are you going?
I just want to see how far it is.
It's not far, but and you're protected in the South Bay there.
Okay, yeah.
But it's yeah, I don't know. Are you ready to take the Cybertruck there?
Yeah. You know, some people are gonna try.
Good Lord, I don't know.
You know?
I'd be happy if the thing was just delivered as a truck. Like, never mind the boat aspect. That'd be cool if it's a boat too. How useful is that though? Like, okay, scroll up.
I think it's very
waterproof
useful.
enough to serve briefly as a boat.
Yeah.
Briefly. So like flood scenarios.
Yeah. Or like
Cross
really, yeah.
Cross the river, lake, or even seas that aren't too choppy. My God, this is going to be all quite interesting.
Yeah. What if you're at, the Everglades?
You need a boat license for that?
Definitely.
You do, right? Good Lord. Let's see if anyone else has any. Can I get a few more replies on this to see? I just want to see if everyone's believing it or not. And you got to scroll down more, show more replies. There we go. It's going to be what? A bunch of memes now? Yeah. Like, what is that? Is that AI generated? What's going on there? Oh, is that just a boat that looks like a Cybertruck?
Maybe.
Man, the replies on an Elon tweet are some of the...
Yeah, it's very memey.
Wackiest, hard to make sense of sections of discourse on the entire internet. Maybe the bot will handle the last delivery of the quarter. I can take a guess that there's no stress to the end of Q3 having AI data. Okay. We're good. I hope it's a boat. I hope it's a truck. And I think it'll look good in this studio. So
yeah.
We'll test it for you. We're gonna go in shallow water at first, Will.
Okay, sure.
Can you agree?
Yeah.
Will you drive?
I'll definitely drive.
Will you pilot this thing?
I'll just
because in the recent video you were flying around. And you were chatting it up too.
Yeah.
So what's that about?
I like driving EVs. They're fun.
No, but you were chatting. You were doing all kinds of chatting. So what's that about?
I did. Well, you told me to end the video.
Yeah.
And I did.
And you're like, hey, so guys, I'm just doing this and that. And
oh, God.
You don't believe me? You don't believe me?
I watched the video.
You don't believe me?
I did it. So I
know, but I'm just feeling like you're not believing me right now.
No,
You're like, guys, we'll do here. It's like, wow, what happened to this guy?
Yeah, who am I?
Here he is, right here.
There's rarely any glare, and somehow they just made it really anti-reflective. There we go. Okay.
You were talking about the reflections and stuff?
We're gonna launch it.
Yeah.
So my initial impression
Listen to this, guys.
is that it's like you're driving on a cloud. It's super smooth, and it's almost weightless.
You guys gotta go watch this. It's wild what's going on in here.
Yeah.
He's just driving. Will is just driving around
Yeah.
in an electric Porsche, and he's going through the wilderness and he's launching it and he's breaking it down. It's incredible stuff. It's a huge development, and it's the latest video on Box Therapy. So I don't know. Leave this show right now and go there. Mm-hmm. This is a once in a lifetime opportunity.
Yeah. Okay.
You don't seem convinced, Will.
No, it was a fun video.
Yeah.
And the next video I think is
Are you
better.
hoping to
The
do
next
more
EP.
of this stuff?
No, I'm good. That's fine. The Cybertruck I'll definitely
Cybertruck you'll do.
wanting
Okay.
to drive
All right.
that.
You're waiting for the Cybertruck. That's fair.